Is your used phone getting out of hand? Literally? Then you need used phone relief. No more unwanted neck selfies or stiff neck. Simply attach the double-sided fastener to any used device. Hands-free, pain-free. You'll wonder how you ever live without it. Hands-free, anytime, anywhere. You won't miss a beat. No more office pain in the neck. Skipping a beat is a thing of the past with used phone relief. A must-have for the office, whether at home or outdoors. An amazing product you'll use every day. So pick up the phone and order used phone relief today. Call now, 1-800-862-1000. Our operators are standing by to take your call. Our operators are giving tremendous discounts on additional units. Or send a check or money order to the address on the screen.
Wait, couldn't I just go to Gizmogo.com? Don't use gimmicks to reuse your unwanted tech in weird ways. Go to Gizmogo.com. We buy used tech. Fast, safe, and responsible. Use Gizmogo and get what you deserve for your tech today.